Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. This morning we're gonna make a cornmeal porridge for breakfast. So let me start cooking before these girls get hungry. Ingredients for today are fine yellow cornmeal, sweetened condensed milk, whole allspice, also known as pimento seeds, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, raw sugar, coconut milk, salt, and also we're going to get some water. In this pot, I've added water, the coconut milk, I've added the cinnamon, and the pimento seeds. It's on medium heat right now, and you want to stir it constantly to make sure that that milk doesn't burn on the bottom. You also don't want the heat too high, but we do need to bring this to a boil. So we're going to wait till it boils before we add the cornmeal. Now that it's hot enough and it's boiling, we're going to start adding the cornmeal little by little. Remember that since we're using fine cornmeal, you don't want to dump it all in at the same time like you could with a medium or a coarse ground cornmeal. This will get lumpy, super lumpy, and those lumps won't be able to come out if you just pour it all in at the same time. So make sure you pour it little by little and constantly mix the cornmeal as you go. As it cooks, you're going to see it thicken up. It starts to thicken. You have to keep whisking away. You can also use a wooden spoon. It starts getting very thick, and you can always add a little bit of milk or water if you prefer it to be thinner. See, I still have a little bit of lumps, even though I did do it slowly. So now that we're getting to a good consistency, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes, I'm going to start adding a little bit of salt. You want to make sure to start adding your seasonings towards the end. And now I'm going to also add the sweetened condensed milk to the porridge. I don't like it super sweet. My kids and everybody else do prefer it a little bit sweeter. So I'm going to mix in the condensed milk. You see how it's starting to get really thick now? We're almost ready to eat it. And now I'm also going to add the vanilla. You want to add about a teaspoon of vanilla or more if you like vanilla. And you just want to make sure to keep stirring it. You don't want it to burn. I say this a lot of times, it's just like making oatmeal or cream of wheat. I'm going to add some nutmeg. So you want to add nutmeg to taste. If you like nutmeg, like around half a teaspoon will do. If you don't, put a little bit less. I always add a little and keep adjusting as you go. You just taste it, and if you want more, go ahead and add more. So now I'm going to start adding some raw brown sugar. You can add whatever sugar you want and to taste. I don't add too much because I don't like things cloyingly sweet. You can also start adding now any raisins or whatever if you want to add some. I know a lot of people like it, some people don't, so that's to taste. I'm thinning it out a little bit with some coconut milk because I do like it a little bit thinner, and so do my girls. So I like this consistency. I know some people like it thicker. So we're ready to serve, and I'm going to show you how it came out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like down below, and bon appetit.